Make money when your photos are viewed. Let that sink in for a minute, guys. You can earn money whenever people come to view your photos. You can earn money per view. It is not for 100 views, it's not for 1000 views. You can earn money per views. So how many pictures you upload in a social media? How many pictures you upload every single day on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, but you can't monetize all the images. You are not going to earn any money from those social media. But what if I show you a website that you can earn money by uploading those pictures? It doesn't matter what pictures, your holiday pictures, your birthday party pictures, your travel pictures, your nature picture, your picture from garden, whatever. You upload those pictures here. Whenever people click and view a picture, you can earn money. You can earn money per view, not for 100 views. You can earn money per view. You can earn up to 15 cents per view. But for the first time, earn a little bit slower. But when you build up followers and likes and views, you can earn up to 15 cents per view, and you can cash out $15. In this video, I'm going to show you the website and how you can set it up and how you can earn money and how many uploads you can do per day and everything. So watch that video continuously until the end. Before we get into the videos, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our videos. We try to upload one video every other day. We're going to upload more frequently from next week. We're going to cover topics like money making, online, print on demand, affiliate marketing. I done the poll. People recommend make money making videos. Second is print on demand, and third is affiliate marketing. So I'm going to cover all the topics. So if you don't want to miss any content, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to like our videos. Watch the video until the end for the full tutorials and to win £10 PayPal free money. So if you go to website, you can say here, make money when your photos are viewed. You can create a free account with them. This is no app, this is a website where you can upload pictures and you can earn money from it. And you can see 15 cents per photo view, and you can earn up to $15 minimum payout. You can pay out through PayPal, and you can see this is 15,000 members. This is a fairly new website, guys, and not many people know about that. And millions of views per month. You know, this guy has a YouTube channel. He's the #1 account holder here, and he have a you can see upload 406 pictures and 1,400 followers and around 50,000 views per picture, guys, and 7,000 likes. And also he's a good photographer. He have YouTube channels, and you can go check it out. So people are come here and upload their pictures and earn money from it. You can see upload your photos using an easy to use upload system. You can add your images to our platform and start earn money today. This is the thing, users views your photos. Your photos are then displayed to users that visit this website. When someone views your photos, you make money. Once your payment reaches $15, you can request to get paid out through PayPal safely and securely, guys. So as you can see, people are using this website to upload whatever the picture they took, and they upload here and earn money. You can see the comparison of this website. It's this website, you can see you can upload 7 pictures per day. 7 pictures you can upload for free. If you want to upload more pictures every single day, you can upgrade to the payment system. That's $2 per month, where you have unlimited upload. But if you don't want it, you can use a free account. You can upload 7 days, and also you can earn money using free accounts. So you can get paid when your photos are viewed. But you can see these are the other websites where you can upload pictures, but you can't earn money. And also they only allowed 7 upload per week, not per day. You can see the comparison from here. So if you go down bottom, you can see this website is trusted by thousands of people, and you can get paid quickly within 24 hours when you request your payment. It's free to use. You can upload 7 pictures per day, and it has a high payout of 15 cents per view. But if you have a strong account, that means you have a good followers and good views and good likes, that you can make 15 cents per account. But if you are newbie, if you are starting today, you earn little bit lower commission per views. But when you started to upload more pictures and started to build up for followers and likes, you are earning go up to 15 cents per views. I'll talk about it in the coming inside the tutorials. Watch the video until the end. But you also can earn money in other way. So for example, if you upload your pictures like a elephant or nature pictures, and you can earn money in other format whenever people buy a mug or canvas from this website. This website is called Clickasnap.com. Clickasnap.com. You can see it from here. So go ahead and click this button called sign up. When you sign up, it will take you to the sign up page where you can sign up using your social media accounts, or you can sign up using your email address. Either is depend on you guys. After you sign in, you need to fill the profile information like your name. After that, you need to give a small description about yourself. You're interested in photography, you want to upload 7 pictures per day, so follow us, something like that. Upload a image icon, profile icon, whatever you can call it, and the banner for your account. After that is done, you can click continue, and it will take you to the page where you can upload pictures here. This is my profile. I already upload 1 pictures and I got 1 views and 1 like. And you can see if I click this one, is called marketplace. This is the one I talk about. You can earn a little bit more money whenever people buy your design using your product using your design. For example, if I click animal, people buy a coffee cup or canvas paint using your image. You get paid in royalty like a print on demand, but this website does everything. So for example, you can see this is a picture uploaded by certain people, and if they buy a mug for that, you're gonna charge you £8.58, and you can earn a royalty commission for that. But this is other way. But you can main way to you can earn money from this website is viewing your photos. Whenever the visitor come and view your photos, and you can earn money from it. So when you open your account, here's upload button here. Click upload, and it will take you to upload page where you can upload your own images. I took certain picture graph from my garden, so I'm gonna upload that here. So click select photo. After your photo is selected and uploaded here, always put titles. If you put the title, it's easy to put the photos in front of lots of people. Otherwise it's difficult, so you can go with something like yellow flower. Then you copy that and write a description. So you can put yellow flower from my garden, something like that. And here the tags is automatically, some tags are added for you, depends on the image that you uploaded. So you can go with that, or you can upload more tags if you want. Select the category. The category is nature. You can see lots of categories here: music, comedy, sports, entertainment, science. So you can select different categories if you want. Select nature, and if you want, you can select album. And here this is the information. You can't download royalty free images and upload it here. You have to upload your own image. It doesn't matter which quality or poor quality, whatever, because it's a type of social media. Whatever your image you upload on your social media, you can upload it here when you people view, and you can earn money. So don't worry about that. So never download royalty free images and upload it here. They will know, and your account will be banned immediately. After that, what you do, click confirm, and your image will be added automatically to your account. So if you can see there's 2 images automatically added here. And if I click my profile and click setting, it will give all the payment detail and everything, how much you can earn. So you can see it will show the daily likes, follows, and comments and shares, your account detail. This is my free account. You can get paid views, 10. This is the image tool they are using, and 7 upload per day. If you click upgrade, and it will take you to this page where you can upgrade for example £2 per month. There you have unlimited uploads, ad-free experience, and faster browsing, and get paid views. But you can go with £0 per month or free account. You still get 7 days per upload, and you get paid per view. So doesn't matter, you can go with free account for here. After that, if you click your earning here, click check earning, and if you give all the information how much you can earn per image. Because this is new account, I could earn 0.0015 because it's less than 15 cent. There's a reason for that, because you are new. They want to make sure that you are uploading more images every single day, that you are getting more followers and likes. When you start to grow like Instagram or TikTok, what you do there, do the hair, and when you start to grow, and you earn up to 15 cents per views, guys. So this is the information, you can find it out. I want to be transparent, so don't expect to make 15 cents per image when you sign up for the account. You can't. When you grow up, it won't happen overnight, but when you upload more images and when you build up followers, and you can earn money, more money per views. I want to show one more example here. This is one of the account. You can see this person uploaded around 546 images here, and 920 followers and 49,000 views, guys. If you go for, say for example, 40,000 views times 15 cents, leave 9,000 because it's gonna take a little while to grow your account. So 40,000 times 15 cents, that is around 6,000 he earned in his lifetime, guys. It's not per week, it's not per month, it's not per year, from his lifetime. So it's gonna take a while, but this is the way you can earn passive income, by uploading your pictures online without you spending any money or any time. Just upload it. When you uploaded the same image into your other social media, upload it here as a backup or whatever. It's going to take less than a minute to upload. So whenever people start to watch and click your image and view your image, you can earn money for that. Thanks guys for watching. If you really like this video, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our videos. Click the like button on the bottom of the video. Also, don't forget to join our newsletter. Go to our website where you can get more affiliate offers and more way to earn money online as methods. And also don't forget to join our Facebook private group, where you can earn valuable knowledge by sharing with others, and they will explain you if you have any issue with it, or you can talk to me directly through Facebook group, guys. Thanks guys for watching. And also, if you want to win £10 giveaway PayPal money, free PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our video. On the comment section, write I like this video, put your PayPal address. When this video gets 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Thanks guys for watching. See you in next video, guys.